Hey guys, in our LINQ course series, today we will see interpreted queries. In LINQ architecture, we have two types of queries. One is local query. It is implemented over IEnumerable. And second is interpreted query, and these are implemented over IQueryable. Our all local collection is inherited by IEnumerable and it stores the result in memory. And those queries which we are going to implement by entity framework, they are inherited from IQueryable. Here I am having an array which have number of students. First let's implement local query. In this local query I am going to filter all the students which have the length greater than 4 and then transform it into uppercase. So in result of this query we will get all the names which have length greater than 4 and they must be converted into uppercase. Now let's see interpreted query. These interpreted queries are implemented on DB context. Now I'm going to implement the same query as I have implemented in local query, but this all conversion will be implemented on database table. By DB context, I'm accessing student table of database. Now I haven't performed any selection query on it by using toList, because first I want to see what exactly the query will be executed in the database. So to see the query conversion in the database exactly, I'm going to use this toQuery string. After console.log of this interpreted student query, I'm going to write the separator, and after separator I'm going to show this entire list. Let's execute and see the result. So this is the query which I executed in database, and I have displayed it for you to see by using toQuery string, and after separator there is a result of this query. One thing you need to clarify here is that this query is executed in database, and after execution it's showing us the result after filtration and transformation of our student data. Next we can also mix these both the queries, local queries and interpreted queries. For example, here I want that the transformation of my query is not implemented in the database but it should be implemented on the front end. So what I can do that I will remove the uppercase constraint from the interpreted query. Now I will apply as enumerable after the interpreted student, which means that all the transformation will be done in memory but not in database. And after it I will apply toUpper constraint on it. So first this query will extract data from the database after filtration, and then in memory it transforming the entire data. And this is the way we can mix up both the queries, local and interpreted. Now let's see the difference after execution. Now as you can see, we are applying only filtration in the database, but we are implementing uppercase clause on this query locally. So this is it for today. Hope you understand the difference between local queries and interpreted queries. If you have any question or query, you can ask in comments. Thanks for watching.